Alright, let's get this bread. No, but really, this bread's actually pretty good.
Oh my god. Alright, trench gun, let's go. Bam. Bam. I missed. Bam. 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 Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Just load, oh my, thank you. Jeez. Where'd he go? What? Oh my god! Alright,
let's get this bread. No, but really, this bread's actually pretty good.
What's up, the gamers? Welcome back to this another video. And today we are playing Arsenal, but I turn people into fireworks. Well, no, Arsenal, otherwise known as Arsenal, but it's a fireworks show, not a 4th of July special. Oh no! See? Fireworks. Oh, like. Oh. Literally me. Like they don't even take damage. What? I'm mad. How did they kill me if they weren't even facing me? They didn't even know I was there. Everything is broken. This entire game is broken. Like, oh my god.
Headshot. No, sorry. I forgot to turn my voice changer off. Right in the dome.
Let's go. Get the fireworks over. You already know. Oh my god. Let's go. How'd they not take any damage from like the fire? Like they didn't do any fire. Are you serious?
Oh my. Yeah, that guy doesn't have a head anymore.
Alright. I'm so bad. Bro, how are they so good? What? This person said hacker or pro. I don't know.
Good luck out there. I believe in you.
Alright, here we go. Where is anybody?
Yeah, you need to quit aimbotting.
Oh. Pan. Man. shots and I did not get up. Ooh. Bro! Well, I do like how this is a sniper, but it's that. Yeah, I think they're at. Not even close after, bro. I'm like, seriously, this person, like... I don't know. She's some type of hacker, huh? Probably just about to win right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, and... Or not.
Ooh, right in the dome.
Right?
Oh my...
How? Bro? Bro, nobody wants hard mode? Are you serious? Alright, escape. Doesn't work? Damn. Alright, one last time. Let's see. How long I've been recording? 6 minutes, yep. Last round.
Get out there and win the game.
Alright, fine. Chill. I suck. Bro, I swear that was a headshot. Sure. How do they know I'm there? Bro?
Good luck out there. I believe in you.
Even I've seen people who are like level 300 and stuff. Even they can't beat that. Bro, what did what? Didn't come out, bro.
Headshot. Oh, sorry. I forgot to turn my voice changer off.
Ooh, randomizer. I love randomizer. Get out of here! Alright, phone. Bye. Told you. As soon as I said I'm about to die, I died. Hold it. Let's go. Oh. Wow. Turn it around. Mistakes happen, lesson learned. Okay, yeah, no, seriously, actually. I'm at 20%, bro. I could charge my phone. But... I'm gonna need someone to explain what this is.
so glad my head isn't as big as that guy's.
Oh, they're already dead, idiot! Jesus. Why is it so loud? I don't go with all sorts of wrong. I don't really know what's happening. Oh, let's go. Did they just... Anything just happened?
Yeah, that guy doesn't have a head anymore.
Oh, okay, they already killed him. Bro, they literally can't die. They have 80 kills? Like, that's not possible. It's almost like somehow...
Good luck out
Alright,
there.
let's go.
I believe in you.
It's railgun again? Bro, this is like impossible. I'm almost positive she has aimbot. Okay, well I know what the See? See? This game is a little impossible, bro. I don't know what to do. Bro, I don't know. Okay. I don't know what to do right now. I think I'm just gonna, like, just not. Guys. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed this, aimbot video, but with fireworks. So hope you guys like, subscribe, turn notifications. And yeah, but I'll see you next time. Peace out. Bye-bye.